Bago tayo magsimula, ipopromote ko lang ang Mystic Queen Power Bracelet. So para sa mga naghahanap ng Evil Eye Bracelets, available na po ang dalawang klase ng Evil Eye Bracelet sa ating shop. So meron tayong Selenite Evil Eye at Obsidian Evil Eye Bracelet. So parehas lang merong protection and cleansing properties. Ang kaibahan nga lang is ang selenite is nagre-recharge rin siya ng mga crystals and semi-precious stones na kasama niya. So pwedeng isuot nyo to alongside with other bracelets and i-recharge din niya yon. Ayan. And marami rin tayong iba pang mga bracelets dito for protection and also for healing, attraction ng money, love, and prosperity. Ayan. So, lahat po yan nasa aking online shop. Pakicheck nyo na lang po. Lahat ng link ay nasa description. Happy shopping! Aquarius, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading for September 11 to 17, 2023. This is a general reading sa maaari kayong makarelate, maaring hindi, just take what resonates. Panoorin nyo rin yung inyong Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus para sa iba pang mensahe. Meron tayong video na nagpapaliwanag tungkol doon. Link on the description. And thank you so much sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, Aquarius, that you have the power to create your own reality. So gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Okay, so let's see what is your overall energy for this week, September 11 to 17 for Aquarius. Aray, Ten of Swords. Iba sa inyo maaring may back pains. Ten of Swords is also about endings. Ending a situation na masyado ng stressful sa buhay mo. So, if things are really tough, no? Naging, tawag dyan, marami kang iniisip. Maraming nagpa-stress sa'yo in the past. So, ito ay matatapos na. With the Ten of Swords. Kapit lang. Okay? What is your challenge? Ano yung challenge ng mga Aquarius? Queen of Wands. Yung iba sa inyo, maaring nahihirapan kayong i-express yung sarili ninyo. Ay yung tipong tanggap ka na lang ng tanggap ng sinasabi ng iba para makaiwas ka sa gulo or issue. Pero, ikaw hindi mo na-express yung sarili mo. So, kumbaga parang naglalaban-laban yan sa sa damdamin mo, sa puso mo. So, it's time to let it out, Talk to someone. Pumili ka ng tao na pagsasabihan mo ng mga saloobin mo na hindi ka i-judge, for who you really are, saka sa mga sinasabi mo. Kasi mahirap na hindi mo na-express yan. So, let's see your opportunity. You have the Queen of Swords. Meron kang opportunity to finally speak up your truth, to own your truth. And itong snake na to, it symbolizes transformation. Yung pagiging ikaw, totoo sa sarili mo. So, minsan kasi, umiiwas nga tayo sa yung mga confrontation. Pero minsan, tayo mismo yung nagsasuffer kasi hindi natin nasabi yung gusto nating sabihin. So, you have the opportunity to finally speak up, release that. Okay? Your blessing is the 9 of coins. So, this is liberation. This is pagkakaroon ng kalayaan. Especially financially. Yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng ang issue ninyo, problema ninyo, or challenges ninyo related sa trabaho. Yung tipong may boss kayo na utos ng utos, or may mga katrabaho ka na yung iba nambubuli sa'yo. Tapos, you're trying to be friendly sa kanila in the best possible way you can para umiwas sa gulo. Pero, yung iba tinitake advantage ka na eh. So, it's time for you to speak up. And the blessing for you is stability ng finances mo and freedom. What is the Ten of Swords? The Magician. Marami kang talents, marami kang skills. Marami kang kayang gawin. So, kung nagtitiis ka sa isang sitwasyon, na akala mo doon ka na lang or yun lang yung best option sa'yo, marami pang best option for you. You just need to explore. Okay? You have the Queen of Wands, the Hierophant. Yung iba sa inyo hindi nakikinig sa payo ng iba or alam mo yung payo ng iba na in a good way, no? Halimbawa, may mga kaibigan nun kayo or mga mahal sa buhay na nasasabihan kayo na, bakit kasi nagtitiis ka pa dyan, ganyan naman yung ginagawa sa'yo, so dapat, 'di ba, you do something about it. Pero yung iba sa inyo, iniisip nyo na baka hindi yun magandang idea na kunin yung or take yung advice na yun. So, it's time for you to take that advice. What is the Queen of Swords? The Hanged Man. May new perspective ka ngayon Nare-realize mo na hindi mo kailangan ng napakaraming kaibigan or connections para mag-survive. Kasi kailangan mo lang mga totoong tao, mga totoong kaibigan na nandyan para sa'yo sa oras ng sa hirap at ginhawa. What is the Nine of Coins? Eight of Wands. Mas maraming opportunities na parating sa'yo. Yung mga hinihintay mo na messages or callbacks, emails, replies, dun sa, pwede kasing in-applyan to sa trabaho, may darating. Okay? And yung iba may mga projects na parating related sa trabaho ninyo. And also, yung iba, mas may maglalakas ng loob, mas maglalakas kayo ng loob na i-explore pa yung ibang opportunities outside of your comfort zone. Siyempre, mas maraming darating na opportunity for you. Ayan, you are working things out, you are healing. See, you are moving on. You have completed a cycle. So, yung iba sa inyo na, yun nga, may natapos na situation, especially sa trabaho, sa career, ayun na, you are ready to move on. Go to the new direction. You are speaking your truth now. You are speaking your truth. Nire-release mo na yung nararamdaman mo na wini-withhold mo. Na kinikip mo lang sa sarili mo. Ito yung tipong nagtitiis sa trabaho, kinikim-kim. Ngayon, you are finally freeing yourself, freedom. You are rising above. Ang daming number 8. Number 8 in numerology is something good kasi this is the number of money, this the number of infinite abundance, and also energy ni Saturn. So si Saturn kasi it gives discipline, structure, karma. So kung ano yung what you put out there, yun din yung marireceive mo. So rewards din yan. See, you are infinite. You are connected to the source. Marami ka pang kayang gawin, Aquarius. Do not limit yourself. At wag ka makinig sa mga sinasabi ng iba sa'yo. Wag ka magpabully. Mercury in Pisces in the 12th house. You have the power to communicate to the spiritual realm, no? Yung mga spiritual dyan na person. You also have Mars in Scorpio in the 8th house, o may revenge. I think you will get even. You will be able to get even to someone na merong nagawa sa yung mali na hindi mo kailangan gawin. Ibig sabihin, yung karma, yung babalik sa kanila. You have Moon in Virgo in the 6th house. You're going to organize your life, yung mga na-miss out mo dahil naging busy ka sa ibang bagay. Maaring maghahalaga ka ng mga halaman, or you're also going to focus on your health, yung kalusugan mo. You're going to nurture yourself. Yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng ang bibigyan nyo ng panahon, attention is yung trabaho na kahit nasa bahay ka lang, through the comfort of your home, being with your loved ones. And also, maaring magiging maingat ka rin sa paggastos mo sa pera. You're going to use your money wisely. Iiwas ka muna sa mga loans, utang, ganyan. So, sa relationship, yung iba meron kayong nakilala or makikilala na romantic connection na may potential. May potential na lumago. Pwedeng itong person na to is mas bata sa'yo or yung energy niya very young, ganyan. Fresh. So, that is your reading, Aquarius. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan. Like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Aquarius. See you again.